Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you know you are loved. If you're new here, my name is Teresa. Thanks for joining me. And if you are a subscriber and coming back, thanks for coming back, friends. So I have another haul, and I did me some shopping at Journalsay. I'll try to remember to put the website down below, and they were having a sale. So this is not what it came in. It was in a bag, and my cat decided it was hers, so she started chomping on it. So I took it out, and then there was bubble wrap around everything, so it was packed really well. And the cat decided that, yeah, I had to throw all that away. So I put it in everything in here and then put this aside. So I'm going to do a complete review on this. The package got a little beat up, but I bought it because it has all these different cuts, and I thought that'd be fun to play with. So we're going to have a play with this later. I don't know if these, oh, they do. Oh, nice. Look at that. Very cool. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. We will do a whole video with that coming up. Well, actually, you might have already seen it because I might post that before I do this. So, lots of fun stuff. And with my organization stuff, I have a lot of open space, so I'm kind of excited because this is going to kind of go in there. So we have, I do not remember what this is. We're just going to open and look and see. A lot of this stuff was on sale, so a lot of it was like $1 or $2. The thing I just showed you, that was around $8, but it was, again, on sale. So these are little flowers, and I'm working on that flower journal, so I thought this would be really good for that. And I want to say they are stickers, but I cannot remember. And then I don't even know what this is. Oh, these are little doily stickers. Oh, I love these. They're clear, see-through. I don't remember ordering these, but okay. Look how fun. These will be so fun in little others. And this is where a lot of my see-through stickers go, so they can just go right in there. Okay, so let me grab another empty container. I bought quite a few of these different things. We'll just throw them in when I get there, right? So these are just different types of tickets or something. I don't know. I thought they'd look really cool for just adding a little extra to journals. These are actually, if you look back here, I have bought two different kinds. But they are little see-through, not much, but they just have little pictures. And I'm an avid photographer, so when I saw this, I thought this was pretty awesome. So we have these stickers. And I'm getting rid of the plastic, but all of this I'm keeping to use. Okay, so we have some more of those. These are darker, and they look like they are just darker flowers. They actually look a little bit like what a film would look like before it gets put into photos. But those look really fun. Okay, so we can just throw those in with that. And then we got some Halloween ones. And I know Halloween is probably over when I'm going to put this out. But they have a lot of fun ones. I want to do a couple collage pages with Halloween. So this is, we're going to set that aside. I'm not opening it yet. Then we have these actually I have 2 of these, and I bought them because they are Alice in Wonderland themed, and I thought they would be really fun in the book we got. So I'm going to add a couple of these to the book we made. But I have a little drink me. Alice in Wonderland. There are a lot of, look at that. So yeah, those are fun. So I have one set, and I'm gonna put them in my Alice drawer, and this can go in my backup. These are just lots of tags with numbers. Some are blank, some are numbers. It looks like all the number ones are up close. That works really good. Okay, so I am going to put these in here because these are Tim Holtz, but there are other ones besides Tim Holtz. And I have a number one right here, so we're going to put these numbers in there. Okay, this is Christmas. And I really thought they were going to be more than just 2 sheets. Good thing they were only like $1 something, right? But they're like little washi stickers, it looks like. How fun. So I'll set those aside so we can play with those later. I don't know what these are. Let's look. They feel like stickers. Oh. They're just, I don't think they're all stickers. Some of these are papers, but just fun ephemera piece of stuff to put in, which works. Oh look, it looks like I have another one. Is this, oh, these are a different color, so we're gonna put these with this. That will work. They're like the same, but there's some tags and wording and memos and all that good stuff in there. Okay, these are all see-through. My brain just fried. Yes, sir. Which we can just put with, I don't know, I have a place where I have these, but I don't know where they went to. So we're just going to set those aside. Okay, so here's the rest of what these were. They're like, this one just has little numbers. And yeah, I bought a lot of stuff. Hopefully this isn't going to get too long. The moon, whatever that one is, and these have you can, oh look how fun, they have little night stuff on there. And this one has a bunch of little stamps, date stuff. Daily notes. Oh look, these would be fun just to rip off and use as in clusters and stuff like that. Okay. Wow. Oh look, I do have more of these. I think I went overboard. Oh my gosh. All right. These are just greenery ones. I'm really liking these. And these are purple flowers. Oh, I like that one. It's like a little macro photo. Okay, so we're gonna add these to their own, because they're all stickers. They're all a little different ones like this. So here's these. I can't wait to play with these. Little splatters. Then we have these ones, which are stickers and looks like, you know, little date stamps, different memos and stuff. And we have one more set of these. These look like just little art splatter background stamps. Woo. Okay, so we were done with these ones. And these are different colors in this series. So basically, like, this is one price, but they had like all of these different ones to choose from, so I did like all of them. Because they were all different colors, and they were all like $1.50, something like that, because it almost was like their entire site was on sale when I was looking. It took a bit to get here, but got here. I've never used this company before, but actually we'll probably buy from them again. Okay, now we have these are just collage stickers, which I have a thing right here filled with like little collage stickers, so we're just going to put those in with them. And I love that, but this will be fun for flower journals. Oh, this would have been fun for the Alice in Wonderland. Okay, now there's this. I am not entirely sure, like, they're clear stickers. They're kind of like washi strips. And I don't know if you can see them very well on, but that's what they look like. You only get 3, which is fine. How fun is that? Okay. So I'm going to put that up here. And the rest of all of this is washi tape. And this video is pretty long, so I will just do this on another video. I have these 2, which are little film strips. Oh, so fun. They are going to go into, I'll probably store them with my film ones. Anyways, I hope you like this. I will have the link down below for Journalsay. No, this is not a paid partnership. I do not get any money if you click on that link. It's just a website I stumbled on from hearing somebody else mentioning it in a Facebook group and liking it. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.